Welcome, Tom. I love grammar very much. Now I know what is adjective. Oh, Jenny, you have learned only what is adjective. But there are many kinds of adjective that you don't know. Oh, is it so? Can you explain them very clearly to me? The adjective of quality, a word used to describe or point out the quality of a person, place, or a thing is called an adjective of quality. Look at the following sentences. Ram is an intelligent boy. Intelligent is an adjective here. It is used with the noun boy to describe his quality. Therefore, intelligent is the adjective of quality. Twin tower is a tall building. Tall is an adjective here. It is used with the noun building to describe its quality. Therefore, tall is the adjective of quality. Mary has a beautiful doll. Beautiful is an adjective here. It is used with the noun doll to describe its quality. Therefore, beautiful is the adjective of quality. So let's see the second one, adjective of quantity. A word with a noun to describe or point out the quantity of a thing is called an adjective of quantity. Look at the following sentences, children. There is some milk in the can. Some is an adjective here. It is used with the noun milk to describe its quantity. Therefore, some is the adjective of quantity. There is a little water in the well. There is little water in the well. Little is an adjective here. It is used with the noun water to describe its quantity. Therefore, little is the adjective of quantity. Alice has enough courage to face the situation. Enough is an adjective here. It is used with a noun courage to describe its quantity. Therefore, enough is the adjective of quantity. Let's see the third one, adjective of number. A word used with the noun to describe or point out the number of a person, place, things are called an adjective of a number. Look at the following sentences. There are many bananas in the basket. Many is an adjective here. It is used with the noun bananas to describe its number. Therefore, many is the adjective of number. I have 3 pencils. 3 is an adjective here. It is used with the noun pencils to describe its number. Therefore, 3 is the adjective of number. All apples are rotten. All is an adjective here. It is used with the noun apple to describe its number. So therefore, all is the adjective of number. Tom, I am really grateful to you because you explained me all kinds of adjective very well. Thank you, Jenny. It's my duty. But Jenny, you have learned only 3 types of adjective. You have to learn another 3 more. Do you know what are the other 3 kinds of adjectives? Oh, so beautiful. Still, adjectives are there? I am happy to learn. Please go ahead. Okay, Jenny. Now we are going to learn about interrogative adjectives. These interrogative adjectives used along with the noun to ask questions. Let's see the example. What color do you want to paint your house? In this sentence, what is interrogative adjective used along with the noun color to ask questions? Let's see another one example for more clearance. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? In this sentence, the word whose is interrogative adjective used with the noun bag. Let's have a look at one more example. Interrogative adjective is used to ask questions. Example, which watch do you want to buy? In this sentence, the word which is interrogative adjective used along with the noun watch. So, Jenny, can you give more examples for interrogative adjective? Yeah, why not? I can give. What pattern will you choose? Here, what is interrogative adjective? Whose hat is this? Whose is interrogative adjective? Which is the tallest tower in the world? Which is interrogative adjective? Well done, Jenny. You're right. Oh, all thanks goes to you. Let's see another kind of adjective now. Let's learn about demonstrative adjectives. This and that are demonstrative adjectives. They often used to point out nouns. For example, this is a blue pen. As this pen near to me, I used the word this. For anything that is far from us, we use the word that. For example, that is a dustbin. There are another 2 more demonstrative adjectives. That is these and those. We use this and that for singular nouns and these and those for plural nouns. Let's see the example for plural nouns. These are my favorite crayons. As these crayons are near to me, I use the word these. Something that is more than one, for to use, we use those to find such objects. For example, those flowers are so pretty. So, dear Jenny, the words this, that Those and these are used in demonstrative adjectives. So I hope you are very clear. Thank you for listening. Tom, I'm eagerly waiting to learn about the last kind of adjective. Oh, don't worry. Wait. You are going to learn it in a better way. I'm there to help you to learn better. Shall we go to the last kind of adjective? Yeah, come on. I'm eagerly waiting to learn about it. Carry on, Tom, carry on. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives used to show possession or ownership. Possessive adjectives usually put before nouns. And children, remember, apostrophe is not used here. The possessive adjectives in singular form are my, your, his, her, and its. The plural form we have are, your, and their. So the possessive adjective your, it can be used both in singular and plural. Let's see the examples. This is my room. In this sentence, my is possessive adjective. Let's see one more. Look at the dog. Its tail is short. Its is possessive. Mrs. Tyler is our teacher. Our is possessive adjective. Look at the kitten. Their mother is feeding them. Their is the possessive adjective. I'm really happy, Tom. You helped me to learn what is adjective and the kinds of adjective. Oh, Jenny, I'm really grateful to you. I'm there to help you at any cost. I'm ready to teach you any topics that you like. Thank you, Tom. Thank you so much. I'll meet you with the next new beautiful topics. Bye bye. Take care.